Let us learn about simultaneous equations. When we consider a system of two linear equations in two variables, such equations are called simultaneous equations. The solution of these simultaneous equations is a pair of values of x and y that satisfy both the equations simultaneously. We will multiply equation 2 by 2 and subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get minus 5y is equal to minus 10. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Now, we will substitute y is equal to 2 in equation 1. We get 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. Therefore, 2x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Let us look at the graphical method. In previous standard, you have studied that linear equations in one or two variables represent a line. Number 1. Consider these simultaneous equations. X plus y is equal to 3, x minus y is equal to 1. We get the graphs of conclusion. The graphs of the equations x plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 1 are two distinct lines which intersect each other in exactly one point 2, 1. This point of intersection has values x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. These values satisfy both the equations and hence 2, 1 is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Number 2. Consider the equations 2x minus y is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. Do they have a common solution? There is no common solution. The graphs of these equations do not intersect each other. They are parallel lines. Number 3. Now consider the equations x minus y is equal to minus 2 and 2x minus 2y is equal to minus 4. The graph of the equations appear to be one line. Here, every point of the line is the point of intersection. Hence, all the points on the line are the solutions. It has infinite solutions. Let us look at the example. Solve the simultaneous equation by using graphical method. X plus 3y is equal to 7, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Solution. To draw the graphs of the two given equations, we find two solutions of each equation and make the tables as given. Now, plot the points 1, 2 and 4, 1 and join them to get the graph of the line x plus 3y is equal to 7. Similarly, plot the points 1, minus 3 and 2, minus 5. Join them to get the graph of the line 2x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. The lines of the two given simultaneous equations intersect each other at minus 2, 3. Therefore, the solution of the given simultaneous equation is minus 2, 3. There are some limitations of graphical method. Number 1. If the solution of simultaneous equations has large values of the variables, it will be inconvenient to use graphical method. Number 2. If the solution of simultaneous equations has fractional values of the variables, the accuracy will not be possible. Number 3. If the angle between the two lines is small, it is not possible to find the exact point of intersection. Let us solve exercise 3.1. Solve the following simultaneous equations using graphical method. Number 1. X plus y is equal to 8. X minus y is equal to 2. Solution. To draw the graphs of the two given equations, we find two solutions of each equation and make the tables as given. Now, plot the points 4, 4 and 6, 2 and join them to get the graph of the line x plus y is equal to 8. Similarly, plot the points 4, 2 and 6, 4. Join them to get the graph of the line x minus y is equal to 2. The lines of the two given simultaneous equations intersect each other at 5, 3. Therefore, the solution of given simultaneous equation is 5, 3. That is, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3. Number 2. 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Y is equal to x plus 4. Solution. To draw the graphs of the two given equations, we find two solutions of each equation and make the tables as given. Now, plot the points -2, 0.5 and 4, 1.75 and join them to get graph of the line y is equal to x plus 4. The lines of the two given simultaneous equations intersect each other at -3, 1. Therefore, the solution of given simultaneous equations is -3, 1. That is, x is equal to -3 and y is equal to 1 is the solution.